How to add a section in Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a new section to Squarespace. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can click on squarespace.com. First, you need to go to squarespace.com and then you will log into your account. Select the website you want to add it. It will take you right here. You're going to select the page where you want to add different sections and the page you want to edit. Once you select it, then you're going to click on the edit option. So here now we can edit our website, and in our editor, you can see when we move our cursor around, we get this add section option. So you have to scroll down where you want to add a new section. Let's go ahead and add one between our footer and this section right here. So you're going to click on add section, and we can select the kind of section we want to add. If we want to go with a blank one where we will be inserting different blocks, and then there are other options such as an intro section. We have content, people, products, portfolios, appointments, images, videos, or menu. So let's say I want to add like an image section. So you can select that your category from here and select the section you want to add, or you can go with the blank section as well. Keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and add this section right here, and it will be added to my website here. This is how you add section on Squarespace. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.